The best single mom support groups. Parenting may be difficult, particularly for single mothers. There are no places where ladies may discuss their problems. A single mom support group is a secure place for single parents to talk about their problems and get practical advice. Members of various communities came together to organize the single mother support groups to provide single moms a place to express themselves. Groups like this cater to the emotional and monetary needs of single moms. You are erroneous if you assume that only single mothers are eligible for all benefits. Single parent support groups and single mothers divorce support groups for folks who feel more comfortable in a mixed audience. Single parent support groups are simple to find and typically have a friendly environment for frightened single parents seeking a sympathetic ear. Continue watching to discover more about the many support organizations available to single mothers and parents. Online support group for single moms. A support group is a location where individuals may get together to talk about their difficulties and, if required, get guidance. Community people who are concerned about the well-being of their fellow residents usually organize the support organizations. Support groups come in types of shapes and sizes. Some are single mother support groups, while others are single father support groups. However, most single parent support groups are gender neutral and open to anybody. Single mother support groups are mainly aimed to aid single moms in coping with their predicament in whatever way feasible. A single mom support group is an online community that allows single moms to connect. It currently has over 33,500 members. It's a location where you can obtain answers to all of your parenting concerns. Not only are issues about parenting addressed and answered here, but also inquiries about psychology, everyday difficulties, and various other topics. This single parent support group is connected to a website that essentially assists others because all of the other females on the site are widowed, divorced, or neglected. Single moms who wish to join this support group don't have to worry about their privacy or being judged, or young women who become pregnant early or accidentally for several reasons. Because this single mother support group comprises such a diverse set of women, it is possible to get a wide range of viewpoints on a single issue. A broad range of viewpoints and suggestions will be available since each woman's experience is different. To join an online support group for single moms, all you have to do is go to their website and register for Single Mom Vine. Another online support network for single parents is called the Single Mom Vine. Single Mom Vine is a private Facebook network for single mothers that act as a support group. It's a support group for single mothers that arose from the Beanstalk Anonymous Single Mother Forum. All moms are welcome to join our single mother support group. You just need to answer 3 easy and clear questions. These questions are created and asked by the administration to examine people who wish to join their community. It's not only a forum for people to air their grievances. Single Mom Vine is a website devoted to inspiring single mothers to embrace the positive aspects of motherhood. As the only caregiver, single moms typically experience depression and negatively affect life and their family. Single Mom Vine seeks to lift sad mothers' spirits and keep them there for as long as they need it. This is the finest place on the internet for single parents who are having a hard time navigating life but have resolved to change their circumstances and make a good impact in their lives. Not only do the volunteers strive to cheer up the members, but the members themselves endeavor to keep the mood light, pleasant, and upbeat. They may also organize a bi-weekly meeting to meet other single moms in the region. The Beanstalk Anonymous Single Mother Forum is a place where you can chat about your experiences as a single. Beanstalk Anonymous Single Mother Forum is the place to go if you're a single mother in need of help and want to keep your identity concealed while finding solutions to your problems. This single mom support group has shown to be highly useful to single moms who have always been shy or overly introverted or who have become such a consequence of tragedy in their lives. The Single Mom Support Group is an excellent resource for single mothers who wish to share their challenges and sorrow with others without revealing their actual identities. It is assumed that the forum's decency is maintained and that users are kind and accommodating to one another. If you have a question, you may ask it directly on the forum, and the administrators or volunteers of this Single Mom Support Group will try their best to respond as quickly as possible. In addition to volunteers, other mothers can react to other moms' comments and inquiries on the forum. If you like the old-fashioned method of doing things, look for single mom support groups in your region. Local single mother support groups might be considerably more valuable since you can meet other moms in person. Chatting with someone face to face is comforting to many parents. For some parents, local single mom support groups are a better option. Life of a Single Mom is not a support group for single moms. It is a nonprofit organization. The management of this nonprofit organization is overseen by a religious ministry. With the help of the church's ministry, this nonprofit organization supports single moms in finding a local single mother support group in their region. It also supports single moms in locating a single mother support group anywhere globally. Go to their website to find a single mom support group near you. Simply enter your zip code, and it will provide you with a list of all single mother support groups in your area. Each parent support group is distinct in its way. Regardless, all of these single mother support groups work hard to help their members in any way they can. They provide financial help, emotional support, and anything else needed. They also provide volunteer opportunities as well as information to help women who are in need by choice single mothers. Many mothers desire to raise their children alone for several reasons. Women who have decided to adopt children and become single moms and women who have divorced and obtained sole custody of their children are supported by Single Mothers by Choice. Single Mothers by Choice support single parents that provide emotional, financial, and other support. This single mom support group assists women who have had an unwanted pregnancy or have become mothers due to unintended pregnancy and whose partners are unable to provide for them and their children. It is possible to become a member of the organization without any procedures. Once you've signed up and become a member of the organization, you'll be given a list of single mothers in your area. This is done to help the community and make new parents feel comfortable in the single mom support group's environment. In an emergency, you may also contact these persons. They also feature an online support forum where you may submit your queries at any time 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This forum addresses and debates a wide variety of topics. You may also join the support group for single mothers. The complete membership fee for this single mother support group is $55. You may, however, pay up to $35 for a year's membership on the forum. This membership in the Single Mom Support Group's online forum will provide you access to connections in your region and enable you to engage in the online community. Other support groups for single mothers. People do not necessarily sit in a circle in support groups and scream their hearts out. This is often the case. However, there are several other single mother support groups to choose from. You may join one of these unique single mom support groups. If you want to try something new than the typical single mom support group book clubs, senior folks and college students aren't the only ones who like book clubs. Single mother support groups are formed due to these sorts of activities. After a stressful circumstance, reading is a fantastic way to distress. You may pick up a book, read it, give it a review, and talk about it with other people. This is a fun activity to do with your single mother pals. If you know other single parents, you may start a book club that doubles as a support group and a book club. It might make you feel like you're a member of a sorority. If you don't know any other single parents, you may always go to the library and meet new friends. All of the following are commonly organized by single mother support groups: cooking clubs. Following book clubs, food may be the next topic of discussion among women. A cooking club is another single mother support group you might join. Single moms should locate such cooking clubs that also act as support groups. You may find culinary clubs on the internet that also serve as single parent support groups. Cooking clubs are becoming more popular among single fathers. In addition to single mom support groups, cooking clubs are springing up all across the country to act as support groups for single parents. Some individuals prefer to be in a single parent support group, while others prefer a single woman support group, but some don't mind being in a mixed audience. As a consequence, there are single parent support groups for these people. Anyone struggling with the hardships of new parenting is welcome to join us single parent support groups. Anyone ready to speak in front of a mixed audience? They join the Single Parent Support groups for single parents. Daily Strength is a single parent support group that assists single parents in whatever manner possible. It's simply an online community that acts as a haven for single parents who have trouble with their parenting responsibilities. By enrolling on their website, you may join the single parent support groups held under this banner. However, You have complete control over how much information you want to share with the participants of the single parent support groups. All single parent support groups, including this one, enable you to keep your identity and account secret. This is done to protect the holiness of the members from any undesired intrusion. You may reach out to the single parent support groups if you're experiencing parenting issues or any other challenges in your life, and the other members and volunteers will do everything they can to help you relax. Single mom support groups have lately gained popularity, and they have shown to be useful to the community's troubled moms. A single mother support group is a place where they may discuss their struggles and have fun and make one another laugh by sharing their experiences and circumstances. Single mother support groups and single parent support groups in general have been shown to help single moms and fathers cope with stress, anxiety, and depression. Contact a specific organizations and agencies for more information about single mother support groups.